How to hide apps on OnePlus. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You cannot hide apps on OnePlus with any application, or you don't need any application to hide apps on OnePlus. It has its own setting. All you need to do is open the drawer of your phone, swipe up, then slide all the way to the right. As you can see, there is hidden space. Then click on plus button and add the apps you want to hide. Then click on tick button, which is located on top right. As you can see, your app has been hidden. You can also enable password by clicking on three dots and then clicking on enable password. Add your password. As you can see, when you open it, you need password. Or simply to unhide it, click on that app and press on unhide. As you can see, there is no apps hidden anymore. And that's how you hide apps on OnePlus. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.